say everything, this top and pants, are Princess Polly, and then I'm probably gonna bring that with me if it's cold. I don't know, but that denim jacket is from Zara. But yeah, I curled my hair last night, so that's why it's like a curly look going on right now. I might have to touch up this front piece, but I'm gonna let that fall out more while I do my makeup. So yeah, let's do that actually, because look at this. Okay. I didn't do any eyeshadow. I kind of just did that little slight wing with some brown eyeshadow, but nothing too fancy. It did just basically make my skin look okay and look good. I do need to spray my face down once more, but I think my outfit looks super cute. I just need to eat stuff to fill out my pants because I don't want to wear a belt with this. But my sister and I are gonna get some chick right when she's done. It's her second day of 9th grade, and Cindy, turn around. Anyway, I'm gonna charge my battery as much as I can right now, and then I'll vlog in the car because I'm driving to school because I'm adulting, senior year, senior season. We're thriving, hopefully. I'm actually quite excited for today because I went to school yesterday to volunteer and help 9th graders, because in my school, district, county kind of thing, they leave the very first day of the school for just 6th grade, 9th grade, and elementary schoolers. So today's my first day with upperclassmen and everything. So I'm actually very excited. I went yesterday and all the 9th graders looked terrified, but I got to see my teachers, and you know, I feel like it's gonna be a good year. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and charge my battery because it's actually dying, and I want to vlog. So okay. So I don't really know how to, oh my lord, gonna work because I don't know where to put this camera. So I might just have my younger sister film me. I don't know. But we're gonna go to school now. I mean, stop by Chick-fil-A first. It's 6:40, so I think I have time. You should worry about yourself. I've been working on myself. Yeah, I just wanna get in a dress. Okay. I guess I need my keys and my wallet. Oh god, I'm gonna slip. Alright, we're a chick. Y'all, I'm gonna struggle at parking.
He thought I was a junior / sophomore. But you know, your girl's a freshman, so.
That means you have 0 room for glow up. Haha.
Hey guys! Let me just like flip the screen up. I'm not a pro vlogger yet. She's driving and she keeps screaming. No, hers is not white. See that? Oh shoot, I'm like showing her whole school. First day! I wish we had a mount. Low battery.
It's currently 1 o'clock and I'm already home because I have a half schedule. I only stay my 3rd period so I can help my teachers, but tomorrow I only have 2 classes. So anyway, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. My day was fine. I'm a little nervous for the year, but I think I can power through. I hope you guys had an amazing first day of school, whichever level grade you're starting. I know a lot of you guys are starting college, so I hope that has been amazing. I know that started a long time ago, but for any incoming freshmen or like people who started high school, congrats, you've made it to some of the coolest years of your lives. I mean, it's what you make it to be, so have fun. Freshman year, 9th grade year is the easiest. You'll get it academically and in life, so, or actually just academically, it's very easy. So just power through, get your GPA right, and it'll help you later in the future in your high school career. So yeah, you'll have tons of fun, and I wish you the best of luck. I will be filming my advice video soon, so stay tuned for that for any of my sophomores, juniors, seniors. I don't really know. I'm a senior this year, so I'm struggling, but if you guys have any advice, leave it down below, or just say some inspirational things to each other. Support each other this school year, and we're gonna have an amazing school year of 2018 to 19. And yeah, to my seniors, we have to graduate, so let's get our shit together and do it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye beauties!
Himalaya 눈더미 같이 쌓인 일들은 Himalaya 난 얼마나 더 많이 더위를 해요 사람들은 잊지 않을까 내 이름 세 글자를 덕분에 우린 하루 2번의 아침 해를 버는 다 집어쳐 오늘 밤 we party